Artificial intelligence. This is the term we have been listening from past few years. But what is the true potential of artificial intelligence? What are the types of artificial intelligence? We are going to discuss all of that in this video. It enables computers and machines to stimulate human behavior and human intelligence. There are 7 kinds of AI. Yes, you heard it right. 7. So, in this video, I am going to talk about all of them. So, the first one is narrow AI, weak AI. Yes, tackles specific tasks like recognizing faces or driving cars. The second one is general AI or strong AI. Is like a super smart assistant that can learn and think like a human being. The third one is super AI, which is the stuff of science fiction movies, surpassing human intelligence in ways which we can't even think of. So the fourth one is reactive AI. As the name suggests, it reacts to the circumstances, like it filters your spam folder of your Gmail or something, or recommends you movie based on your preferences. The fifth one is limited memory AI. It learns as it goes. Chatbots get better at conversation, and self-driving cars improve their navigation. The sixth one is theory of mind AI. While still in the future, we're able to record emotions and respond accordingly. Imagine a self-driving car which slows down when it senses a scared pedestrian. The seventh one is self-aware AI. It is a state in which the machines will be able to understand themselves. It is a very complex topic, but that also sparks a lot of debate. AI has the potential to revolutionize our future in many ways, from healthcare to transportation. It's an exciting time to be alive. If you want me to make a separate video for each one of them, let me know in the comment section.